You know I've traveled 1,000 miles and I'm stuck in the same old place. I keep searching for the right direction when I won't need a name. Throw away your titles, merit badges and IDs. If you're gonna ride with me, well, you got